Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited to bring you some news. We actually picked up another build. It's a 2018 Ford Mustang GT, and the car is located about 8 to 9 hours away from where we located. So we're about to take our truck, get a trailer, and just drive off. Make sure you guys also subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up. Stay tuned. Been driving for about 8 hours now. We still have 1 more hour to drive to Copart. So far it's been a very fun driving experience through back roads, hills, valleys. Everything is like so alive, so green.
The Tennessee State.
Tennessee State, yeah.
You guys are blessed.
Not much.
Beautiful here.
It's amazing. One more thing, guys. We love driving this truck. It's such a fun experience driving a truck, especially a 4x4 through all hills and valleys. John's being the driver today.
Yep, I've been assigned to lead us to victory. On that Mustang boy, where are you?
Where's that Mustang, boy? Dang, the road is so rough. The pavement on here.
I'm leaving open.
It should be. Nah, we're screwed. So far looks good. We'll see when we check it out. What?
The wing looks really nice.
The wing, yeah. It has the wing of a GT350. Let's see, John, how good of a conductor you are now. Yeah, stripes on the side. Just gonna put it straight down onto our trailer. One good thing about this car is that it runs and drives. Don't really like those rims. They look kind of regular GT. You can see the excitement on John's face.
Dude. I think it was an add-on or something.
Yeah, for sure.
It looks nice.
Looks awesome, dude. Guys, check it out. It has dual exhaust on both sides. X-Force exhaust. It looks pretty sick, yo.
It's a little bit bent here.
That's not too bad. I mean, we saw the upper part in pictures, but we did not see the lower one. I'm not sure if they damaged it or...
Yeah. Sometimes it happens. The way they store the cars, it is what it is, you know.
Let's see how it looks inside. I mean, it's pretty basic inside, but hey, it's a Mustang GT 5.0
Basic,
liter.
But look at these seats, they still look nice. You have the stitching, but you have these shapes on the seat.
They took out
So we starting up?
the floor mats. Does it have the keys? The key there?
Yep.
See if it starts right up. I mean, hey, why not?
See if any fluid comes up to the front.
Come on, start it up. That's what the batteries did.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's toast. That's fine.
Too bad. We tried. There's no way we can start it up. There's buttons missing as well.
Okay, let me go around the car. Looks pretty sick. There's no axe in the back. It has a rear camera, which is also always a great thing. see if we open the door. Wow, it doesn't open. I can't.
Dude, I like the steering wheel a lot. It's all leather. I wish it had the flat bottom, but it does not. I guess we can cut it with a saw or something.
Yeah, right.
No way. Missing button over there. But it looks nice.
Anything in there?
So
Everything.
Only
It took everything out.
some iPhone chargers.
Except we don't need none.
Well, we don't need that. Nothing in there. Sorry, we couldn't find $1 million. I truly wish I found one. But here's the thing, one day we bought a Volkswagen Passat, and the guys that brought it over to us, they said the first car they ever opened the trunk on, they found a TV.
That was actually my car.
That was Sam's car.
That's funny though. It was a huge TV inside that trunk. I don't know how it fit. It was as big as the trunk. Anyways,
this time around, this one around.
Spin looks.
See if it's got anything in the trunk.
It's dead, man. Check out the back seats. They look pretty clean. Oh, they had a car seat for a baby. Man, that's a fog light or something.
I think the baby was pretty safe. Basic or not, it looks really nice. It's a Mustang, yo. It's dope, yo. I hope we don't have any transmission problems like we had with the S4.
How's the clutch and the brake and whatnot?
Good. Brake's good. Pretty hard, which is good.
Guys, I'm so excited for this build. I can't wait to see this.
Oh,
Driving this.
I can't wait to take this on the street.
I mean, I'm not much of a fan of those wheels, but I can dig it for the moment. Let's check out the
Check out the damage.
He also has tinted windows, which is that's a plus for us. This is the miles that this car has on it, 6,976. So this is brand new pretty much.
When I saw it the first time, I thought these were stripes, but then I'm like, oh, okay.
We should actually do stripes over there.
Wow, dude, that damage is not that bad.
I mean, it looks bad in the video, guys, but believe me, make sure you don't damage anything, John, because you're gonna pay out, boy. Oh, they're gonna fly out, yeah, for sure. Let's toss these in the car. And this one is just hooked up. I'm guessing it has like the bolts too over there, something like that. Check out the frame. There is some frame damage, but nothing we can fix. Frame damage right here.
No big deal.
That's not bad.
No.
Look at the cradle.
It's a little bent here.
Oh, we probably gotta replace that.
That took a little bit of the impact. But it saved the engine, so that's good.
The engine is good, right?
Yeah, it's good. The fans are barely touching the engine, so we're good. Awesome, man. I'm looking forward to the dude.
I'm surprised that this rail is not as bented as the other one. Yeah. Especially that this one took the hit. Well,
yeah,
kind of.
The hit was more on that side than that one.
Yeah. Just gotta replace AC condenser, all that good stuff and whatnot.
Maybe we're gonna hit this one alive. So let's just start strapping the car down and let's get going. Too much excitement in the Copart parking lot.
Look at John doing the work all by himself.
Oh, yeah. I don't have any problems with doing it.
We also have to strap down the hood to make sure it doesn't go up when we drive off on the highway or these roads. One more thing, guys. Whenever buying a car, the first things you gotta do on a car, strap down the hood. Make sure the hood is strapped down good and will not lift during takeoff or whenever on the highway, because if it does, it's gonna damage your windshield and sometimes the top. And with that, boys, we gotta go and hit home run.
Hit the road.
Time to hit home, boys. All right, guys, so the car is finally strapped down and it's time for us to drive home safe.
Let's do it.
You better drive home safe, son. Here's the car right there. Excuse the mess in the back. Everything is good, ready to go. We're finally on the road. Everything drives good, feels smooth. We have about 8 hours and 45 minutes till we get home. You know, when you have a car in a trailer, you can't just really drive and park in front of Taco Bell. So we had to leave it here, go buy goodies on foot, and then come back to the truck. So we finally got home. We got home late last night. We weren't able to film how we took it off or how we started the car, but anyway, we're gonna give you a run now and see how it sounds. The sounds is really sick. Comes out amazing. Sounds so raw. Yeah, I think they did change. They took out the resonator and the mufflers. They're not stock anymore. They changed them. The car is very loud. So it's pretty much modded. In some way, one way or another. Super loud. Sounds so sick. You can't really talk. Super loud.
Sounds like a Mustang. You know it.
All right, so you guys now heard it, how it runs. It runs awesome. I like the mean sound of this GT. Sounds super sick. Sounds amazing. Before we leave, make sure you give us a thumbs up. That way it's gonna help us in the long run. Also subscribe to our channel if you like what you see. Now, we believe that these cars are only the beginning of what we want to do next in the future. We just like we finished Raptor conversion, we want to build more of those, more of these, more Fords, more of everything. We're also planning on doing a wide body Mustang GT, probably not this one, but a future build. Just something to keep in mind. Stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching.